The first thing you'll want to do as a team leader is to set your homepage up properly. You'll want to tell the system the people that report to you, that's your team, the work queues that you're in charge of, and which team members work out of which queues. To do this, go to the nav section and open up the Queues tab. This view shows me the queues that I'm in charge of in the centre of the screen, and the people that report to me day to day on the right hand side, or at least it will do once I've told the system that information. The first time you log into Work Manager, this is very likely going to be blank, so we better go populate it so it reflects the areas of business we manage. Let's take a look at how we do this. To make changes, we want to click on the Edit button. This makes all the sections editable. So on the right hand side, let's click to add someone to the team. We can't create the underlying user accounts directly here. For that, we'd have to speak to our user administrator and they can set up an account for a new agent in the user management part of Builder. But we can search for agents already set up in the system to add them to our team. Okay, once we've done that, the next thing we'll do is to look at setting the queues that you're in charge of. Work queues basically represent competencies within your business operations, and it's the work queues that tickets, cases and actions from certain business areas get routed to, ready for your agents to get their next work item out of when they hit pull from queue. Setting yourself as the manager of a queue means that you'll see the work items in those queues as part of your homepage, so you'll be able to see the volume of work and how it's progressing. To set ourselves as the manager of some queues, we simply go to the Queues section and click on the Add button. We can then set the queues that we're in charge of. The queues will have been created in Builder by your business analysts as part of setting up the system to match with your business operations. If you feel you need to adjust the queues which exist to better match how you and your team work day to day, have a word with your business analysts to get that adjusted. We'll select a couple of queues here that we're going to be in charge of. The third and final part of the setup is then to put your team members into the relevant queues. So let's add all team members to the first queue. And add the first two of the members to the second queue. An agent can work out of more than one queue, and you can easily adjust these on a day-to-day basis to help deal with changes in work volumes in different parts of your business. If we now go back to our homepage, we can see that the team members and work queues are now shown, and we can see all the work items sitting in them which need our attention. And apart from adding robots into the mix, which we'll look at in a further video, that's essentially all there is to it when it comes to setting up new team members and work queues in Enate.